a beautiful Sunday afternoon in Japan. How is it wherever you are? Baskin Robbins is having their wonderful sale, and Baskin Robbins is affectionately called 31, so I'm heading there now to get mine. I'm going to show you how it looks on the inside and the type of cakes and stuff that they have. It's like a little shrine over here, so but we're not going in there. We're heading to Baskin Robbins. The bike just came just in time for you guys to think that it's my bicycle. Yeah, sorry, not bicycle, my BMW. You hear that sound? Powerful. Whoa, bumpy, but I didn't fall off. We're heading there, almost there. There it is, we're heading there. See sign? Right, that's the way I go, right, Tesla? Let me have driver one stop. No, it wasn't my first time going. I just forgot where the door was. Maybe I was too excited, I guess. Sour flavors. Chotomate kudasai means please wait. Somebody's a kitty. Waiting to be served. And I'm looking at Itsy mask. An emergency mask. This is how they look. Let's get it. I ordered 6 flavors. Oh my, I forgot to take this note. There's one of them that pops in the mouth. I forgot which one, you know. I really like that one. I just love how nicely packaged the stuff are. So these dry ice keeps them frozen until I go home. I got pineapple and mango. These are seasonal flavors. and of course my own rum and raisin, caramel ribbon. Oh my gosh, I should have taken berry strawberry. Anyways, all of them are nice. This is dried ice. How it's behaving against the metal. That's it, against the plastic. Why was it making so much noise though? Oh, that's crazy. This is one of the flavors of the summer. This is a pineapple. Trying it with my teeny tiny spoon. I can actually taste the pineapple, and it's not too sweet. It's nice. As you can see, it has some splash of pineapple flavoring about all around, and it tastes like it has some form of nutty stuff going on. Let's dig in a little bit more. Yeah, it has some chocolatey, not chocolate, it has some cracker type thing. It's soft, not so sweet, but you see that lump like some cracker type thing inside, which makes it so interesting. Okay, halfway in I realized that it's mango. The mango flavor is not so strong. It just has like some drips, and you know, a Japanese lady told me, but you know, tropical people love mango. So as you can see, just a little bit yellow stuff there, and it has like some cookie thing, which to be honest, it's a little bit disappointing. For Baskin Robbins, I would expect it to have a stronger flavor, but
after you almost eat up the whole of the stuff, my girl,
all of this, I usually have to try very hard not to, but I don't have to. I'm gonna put back half of this. Yeah, the mango flavor isn't so hot for real. Anyways, this is my first one. I'll let you know how the others taste. Yeah, a new flavor every day. At this time eat me for, this time can't stand me for. But them can't stop me.
One more. Not good.
Not good.
Video.
Yeah.